today, a public statement was made by our colleague, Senator Ping Lacson.
Ang pagkaalam ko, at least silang dalawa lang mag-ate ang nakakaalam tungkol kay Bato na darating. Dahil ang pagkaalam ko, nakasakay si Bato sa kotse ni Senator Pia.
Let me state this clearly and unequivocally. That statement is false. A false public imputation, whenever made, is exactly what the above-mentioned rules were designated to prevent. Unverified allegations about a colleague falls below the standard of professionalism that is demanded of public officials. Don't say things about your colleagues that are not true. I leave that as it is, and I hope that this will not be repeated again.
I want to put it on record that I sincerely apologize to our distinguished colleague. That information was relayed to me by a fairly reliable source, no? And if that was a mistake, then I sincerely apologize. I thought I made that public statement because I thought it was just a, not really a serious matter. But parang inisip ko, okay lang yung i-share ko yung information that I received from a fairly reliable source. Now, even if it is not false, then I sincerely apologize.
I have an issue with the aspersion of malice na parang patago kong pinarating dito na gamit ang kotse ko na walang katotohanan. Why would you make a statement? Kasi kung wala namang intensyon, di wag na lang sabihin, di ba?